Hey everyone, welcome to your Next in Tech. Today we are diving into one of the most powerful tools in a software developer's arsenal, the terminal. If you are a software developer on Mac OS, the terminal isn't just a black box, it's a superpower. If you have ever felt intimidated by that blinking cursor, don't worry. By the end, you will not only know what these commands do, you will know exactly when and why to use them. We'll go through the most essential commands for file management, code manipulation, system monitoring, and even Git version control and some productivity hacks. Let's get started. First up, let's learn how to move around our computer. Think of the terminal as a text-based version of your file explorer. As you can see, I have Mac OS terminal here on the right side and also a terminal on the Visual Studio Code editor on the left side of the screen. I'm primarily focusing on the terminal on the right side, but I can show you a few things how to work with the terminal in an editor. First of all, if you enter pwd command, it will show the working directory. Press enter, it is showing him at this location. If I use the same in the editor, pwd, it shows the same. So print working directory, that is pwd. Next, let's look at ls. This lists the files and folders in your current directory. Press enter, you can see I have these many folders inside the RB folder. You can use the same here in the editor. It will give the same result. For this command, there is few more other command like ls space -l. This provides a detailed list including files, permissions, owner, and date. Another command is ls space -a. This shows all files, including hidden ones. Those that start with the dot are the hidden ones. Next, the command for creating a new directory or new folder is mkdir and name the directory. I am going to name as terminal commands. Use the command ls and you can see that folder created in RB folder. If you wanted to open the current folder in Finder, you can use the command open space dot. You can see that RB folder is open and see all the folders inside, including the folder that I have created right now. If you wanted to create a new empty file, use a command touch touch and give a name for the file. I'm going to give hello.txt. Use the same command open and you can see hello.txt is being created in that folder. You can use this touch command to update the timestamp of an existing file. Go to the Finder, press the info. You can see this is created on this date at this time. To change the timestamp of that file, use the same command touch space -t, that says timestamp 2023, the year, the month 10, which is October, say 16, that's the day, October 16, and I can even give the time of that file created, say 10:30, name hello.txt. Enter this, nothing happens here. Go to my folder and check the timing of this file. You can see that it's been created on Monday, October 16, 2023 at 10:30 a.m. Change the timestamp of this file hello.txt. Now let's look at how to copy a file or directory, cp, which is copy, space, and give the name of the file or the folder. Go to documents and I have pictures folder. In the pictures folder, I have a picture named AI Google. I wanted to copy this picture and paste it in the folder. Terminal commands, give a full path, documents / pictures / and the name of the file to copy is AI Google. Give the destination, terminal commands. Press enter. You don't see anything here. To go to terminal commands folder, I'm using a command cd which is change directory, and then terminal commands. My folder location has changed. Check if you have this AI google.png file inside that using the command ls. If you wanted to exit this directory, use a command cd space dot dot. You are currently in RB folder. Let's say if we wanted to go to documents and to the pictures folder, cd documents slash pictures. This will directly jump into the pictures folder. You can exit from that folder by cd space dot dot. You are now in the documents folder. If you wanted to come to the root folder, you can say cd. You can check it using the command pwd to copy in entire directory and its content, say all the content of pictures folder, cp space minus r, the path where I wanted to copy, documents slash pictures, and copy into terminal commands. Press enter and go to terminal commands folder and ls. You can see AI Google file and also the pictures folder. Move to pictures, cd pictures from the terminal commands, pwd. List all the files in the pictures. All the pictures are in there. If you wanted to move or rename a file or a folder, use the command mv. I'm going to move the pictures folder to the commands folder. Currently in terminal commands, move mv slash pictures space and giving the full path here, commands folder. Press enter, cd commands folder and ls. You can see the pictures folder move to the commands folder. Similarly, you can move the file to another folder. From one folder, go to the RB folder and ls. I wanted to move this hello.txt to terminal commands. Use the same command mv move hello.txt terminal commands. I am not mentioning a full path here because both terminal commands and hello.txt is in the RB folder. Go to terminal commands, ls. You can see hello.txt and AI google.png file, but not the pictures folder. Now that we have learned how to move a file and folder to another location, what if we want to delete a file permanently? Let's say I wanted to delete this hello.txt permanently. For that, use rm, which is remove hello.txt file, and ls. You can see that I no longer have hello.txt in the terminal commands folder. Go to the root folder and let's delete the terminal commands folder, rm minus r terminal commands, the folder name. In a file list, we no longer have a terminal commands folder in our system. Now let's learn how to open a file or folder or any application. For example, open space dot, it opens the current directory or current folder in the finder. We are in the RB folder, it's opening up that, and you can see that we no longer have a terminal commands folder. Let's say cd commands folder and open space dot, it will open the commands folder. I wanted to open the hello.txt, open hello.txt. So it's gonna open my hello.txt file. Another terminal command that will be useful is man, man, short form of manual. It displays the manual page for a command, providing a detailed explanation of its function and options. Man cp, CP means copy files, then it's showing the other additional commands that you can use, and there is a description. So it's gonna show the information, detailed explanation of its function and other options that you can use with the CP command. This will be helpful if you know the command but you don't know the details of it, what it does, or the other options of how to use the command. If you wanted to search for files by name, for example, I wanted to search igoogle.png, this file, use a command find space dot space and then minus name and then double quotes AI google.png. I wanted to find this file using the name. You can see it's inside the pictures. I'm currently in the commands folder. Commands folder have pictures folder. So if I'm not in a commands folder, let's say in the root folder, and if I use the same find this file, you can see it searches for this file named AI google.png in the current directory and all of its subdirectories. It is searching this file name in all the folders in the root folder, and then it is gonna provide where it is present inside this folder. And we use that inside the commands folder. It searched the commands folder and found out that there is a pictures folder. Inside that pictures folder, AI google.png file is present. It will be useful when you know the name of the file but you don't know where it is present. These are the fundamental commands for navigating your system and managing files. You can find out where you are by location pwd. ls is used to find out all the files and folders inside the current folder, and other options are ls-l, which will give the details of permission status and size and every detailed information about the files and folders. If you use ls-a, it will show all the hidden files along with the non-hidden files. Then make directory command is to create a folder and give the folder name. So it will create a folder with that name in the current location. Then if you use open space dot, it will open the current folder in Finder. You can use touch command to create a file in the current location, and you can change the timestamp of a file using touch -t and give the timestamp that you wanted to that file name. And then you can use the command cp to copy a file or a folder from one location and to the destination. cd is to change the directory. You can exit from the current directory or folder using the command cd space dot dot. Similarly, you can use cp space -r command for copying folder and its content from one location to another location. You can use mv command to move a file or a folder from one location to another location. You can use rm to delete a file from a folder. Use rm space -r command to remove or delete a folder and its entire content. Then we have seen man to display or to know more about a command. Use the command find to search for a file using name. So these are the fundamental commands for navigating your system and managing files. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future episodes. We'll be back in 2 weeks with another exciting topic. Do you have a burning tech question or a specific trend you would like us to explore? Let us know in the comments below. Your suggestions help us shape this series just for you. Thanks for tuning in, and we look forward to seeing you in the next one.